It's important to find out what really happened. Because what really happened is what really matters.
Yes.
Today is a very happy day for Mr. Percival and all his friends.
Thomas has made it a happy day, sir. He's my hero. He's my